Welcome to Auto Turbowheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary rebirths in American muscle car history, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird. Yes, you heard that right. The Firebird is back, and it's ready to set the streets and hearts on fire once again. After decades of silence, Pontiac's icon has returned in a way that blends retro power with futuristic precision. Buckle up, because this car is pure adrenaline reborn. The 2026 Pontiac Firebird is not just another comeback, it's a statement. Designed under the GM Performance Division's secret project, this modern Firebird is built on a modified version of the Camaro ZL1 platform, but make no mistake, this machine has its own soul. It carries the legacy of the original Firebird Trans Am, with a design that screams heritage while embracing 21st century innovation. At first glance, the design is breathtaking. The front end brings back the iconic split-nose grille and screaming Phoenix emblem, now illuminated in LED glory. Sleek, aggressive lines run across the body, sculpted for aerodynamics but dripping with nostalgia. The hood features functional air extractors and a power dome design that pays tribute to the 1970s Trans Am muscle cars. The headlights are laser-thin with adaptive matrix technology, giving the Firebird a menacing, futuristic stare that demands attention even at a standstill. The rear is where the nostalgia truly kicks in. Full-width LED taillights, a muscular spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that roar with authority. Every angle of the new Firebird is engineered to honor the past while commanding the future. From its carbon fiber panels to its sleek silhouette, it's clear Pontiac didn't just build a car, they resurrected a legend. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, performance. Under the hood of the 2026 Firebird lies a monster, a 6.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine tuned to deliver an astonishing 725 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a new 10-speed dual-clutch transmission, this car can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. That's not just fast, that's Firebird fast. But Pontiac didn't stop there. For those who want electric power, there's a Firebird E-Volt edition, a dual-motor all-electric version pushing out over 850 horsepower and instant torque that snaps your neck back the moment you hit the throttle. It can do 0 to 60 in under 2.8 seconds, with a range of around 350 miles. This proves the Firebird isn't just living in the past, it's racing into the future. The handling is razor-sharp thanks to adaptive magnetic ride control, active aerodynamics, and a lightweight aluminum chassis. Whether it's carving corners or dominating straight lines, the Firebird delivers balance, grip, and raw excitement. The Brembo carbon ceramic brakes ensure this beast stops as confidently as it accelerates. Step inside, and the cabin is a mix of muscle and modern luxury. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and a 14-inch digital cluster that adapts to your driving mode. The center console features a holographic heads-up display that projects performance data and navigation onto the windshield in real time. The seats are bolstered for track performance but comfortable enough for long highway cruises. Ambient lighting gives off a fiery red glow, reminding you that you're sitting in something truly special. Pontiac has also integrated cutting-edge AI-assisted driving modes. Phoenix Mode unleashes the car's full potential, adjusting throttle response, exhaust tone, and suspension stiffness for maximum performance. Cruise Mode tones things down for daily driving, while Track Mode gives you full control and telemetry for serious racing sessions. On the tech side, you get wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, and an advanced Harman Kardon 16-speaker sound system that makes every rev feel like music. Safety features include adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, collision avoidance, and even thermal night vision to spot hazards before you do. The 2026 Pontiac Firebird isn't just about numbers, it's about emotion. It's about reigniting a flame that's been missing from the American roads for far too long. This is more than a car, it's a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and pure power. GM has made it clear, this Firebird isn't a limited concept. It's a full-scale production model aimed at bringing Pontiac back into the spotlight as a high-performance sub-brand. Rumor has it, pricing will start around $85,000 for the base model and reach over $120,000 for the top-tier Trans Am edition, which includes upgraded aerodynamics, a titanium exhaust, and exclusive paint schemes inspired by the classic 1977 Firebird. So, whether you're a die-hard muscle car enthusiast or a new-age performance lover, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird is a dream come true, a resurrection of American power that refuses to die. It's raw, it's loud, it's breathtaking, and it's ready to burn rubber into the next generation of automotive legends. The Firebird has risen again, stronger, faster, and fiercer than ever. And once you hear that engine roar, you'll know the legend never truly faded, it was just waiting for the right moment to rise from the ashes. Auto Turbowheels, bringing the future of performance to life, one car at a time.